check, check, mic check. Good. Oh boy. So, yeah. Look, this is nice, huh? Opened like a huge gap up. It was, by the way, we closed where actually? Like here? We've been up 0.5%. Okay, let me check MNQ. We close right here. We've been up 0.7%. Right now we are 0.1%. Which is what? Like we're going back. Oh my god, this. What could I tell you, boy? Probably I don't have. What's my play today? Am I looking for shorts? Am I looking for longs? Actually, I am not looking for anything. But one thing I know, like at the open, we're gonna drop. And what bothers me that we definitely gonna drop, like hardcore drop. We might reach even closing or at least somewhere in this area we would be probably trading, right? 400s, nah, 400s too low, 50s, but we might on the we might break it on momentum. But for all of what I see, it's 5 minutes left. We're gonna see a huge drop down. That drop will tell me one thing or another thing, I don't know. Like I would I then take a short? No. Like if we drive here, it's a huge opening range. Am I willing to take a short? Well, on the other hand, yes, like why not? It's my setup. It's just the way market behaves. And I might place an order here just for, I don't know, it feels heavy. All the structure. Yes, we gapped up. It's all nice, nice to go on the gap up, but there's one thing that you should keep in mind. This is very uncertain market. On top of that, this week we are having earnings. Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta. Yeah, I think Meta. It's just Wednesday is gonna be massive. Also, tomorrow, okay, that's maybe not that, but this, this Wednesday also. So this is untradable day by any means. Then we have, okay, that's not bad, but Friday also 5 o'clock. I mean, this week is overwhelmed with lots of news. Next week is going to be what? CPI, PPI. So if yeah, this is hard. First Friday of every month, it's a hard thing to see. It's non-farm. Also, like, I mean, this is a huge week. So Monday for me is a very good trading day because there's no news. People don't know what to expect, but on the same hand, there's no like if the market starts to go somewhere, it might be going without non-stop. Tomorrow, on the other hand, is the day before Fed. Like tomorrow, I'm gonna think about it. Day before tomorrow, I didn't made a statistics actually of federal fund rates and day before that, which I might do in my Excel spreadsheet, which probably would help me to assess the situation more clearly. And but for now, let's concentrate on my executions, okay? On all the things that I need to know and I need to see are just here, not there and here. They are just here. Okay, so 58 seconds. Market is not dropping yet, but it will be. It's looking heavy. On the other hand, it might be a fake run of stops because first of all, lots of people could be liquidating longs and other longs can be entering the market, right? What about the shorts? Do the shorts want to go in today? Like for this, maybe, for this level, maybe potentially, yeah, it's not far away. It can be reached within seconds on the open, which is like happening. It could, like, I mean, it's possible, possible. So let's see. 40 Cody Tom indecision. La la la. Good, we made a pivot. We're trying to go back up. I like where my. This is demo, purely demo, and on my thesis. Purely on my thesis that we're gonna rip to the downside. There's a lot of orders to the down. We might go back to this level, or we might have fake out breakout. This is 500. This is maybe too much of my risk. We went there and we are just probably not gonna go well. Yeah. So we are not going down. Okay? Here's another thing. We are not going down right now, at least. At least right now. I'm trying to guess the market right now. I'm trying to push the buttons, because it's a demo account. I don't care. I just wanted to flip sides. Flippity flippity flop. It's not good by any means. It's not good. It's not good what I'm doing. I don't think that is a good target. Maybe here, maybe, but let's leave it on. Two for one, you just have to do it. Two for one. Obviously this is like a bad situation for me because now I am in some type of a trade in a way, and this is like I want you 500, yeah, come back and just go down, right? This is what 500s do. They just crash you down. Okay, so this is perfectly normal. This is perfectly normal. I've been on the long side. They ran for stops on the upside. Now we're reversing probably. If I add, I would probably take a loss. I would probably take a loss anyway. So yeah, this is a bit of a choppy market. Let's make sense for this. Let's make sense. You see, it went up, it went down, it went up right now. What I would like to see right now is stay a little bit here. Stay a little bit right here. And then start to going drift lower. just before I enter the trade, okay? Or maybe we can stay here for 5 minutes, go a little bit up, okay? Go a little bit up more, and then when I have my, before my, like, for me, just to have a possibility to put this stop here and just to, go down with the flow. So what I see right now is just it wants to go down. There was a wick to the upside. There's nothing else left at the upside, and it seems so that we might go down. By the way, what I want to see is actually I want to see the how much 170. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of volume have been dealt before the open, considering these past few weeks, days, or something. And this candle still seems to be quite an indecision candle because let's see. The first thing I wanna like acknowledge is that we are right now trading, what's the range? 73. So I'll need a calculator, okay? Just 70 divided by 2, 500 divided by 36 is 14 contracts. 14 contracts. Which is a crazy number, 14 contracts to be fair with you. And okay, we are coming. I've been talking a lot and stop sell for stop sell 14 stop buy 10 stop buy a 4. Okay, so we are prepared to go up. Okay, I'm prepared to go up. I know it sounds weird in this way we go up. Why would we go up? But let's just be honest. This is where I'm gonna get in. Yeah, and this is where I'm gonna get well, this it's going to go two ways. Okay, so we got 81, 81, 81, 82, 81 doesn't matter right now. I think it's if it's going, then it's going. If it's not, it's not. It's very easy to come back to this level. Very freaking easy. Unless we just roll. There's one good thing about it, that this range is very little. So there's two ways for it. One way is we can easily come back to my break, to my loss. Other way is that the target is quite close. I mean, we're still in the Globex session range. So if we stay up there, we go up there, we break out of all this before moving backwards, where we spent lots of time, quite actually, it's a good chance that we might hit my target. Because there's nothing like seriously holding. It's only those 500s, there's a big battle on it. And by the looks of it, we are, for now at least, kind of winning this battle, but we don't know yet. So let's see if it's a true story. Again, we lost it backwards. Well, there's a definitely a very sticky situation for me. Do I want to move my stop loss already? Let's think about it. Where would I put? If the market comes back here, it can still be here traded. Like on this candle, it's easy to be here still. Do I want to move it to like this bottom thing? No, maybe, here. Because if we go here, we break that 84. 84 is my new, uh, that's so tough, actually. This market wants to go up, but there's lots of resistance at the top and lots of people pushing it downwards. There's another obviously question about it is whether 84, yeah, 84, whether we can have and grab a stop run for the downside Oh wow, that is actually looking overall. It looks promising. We are attacking those 500s, and there will be one time when it will give up. It will be definitely that one time when we're gonna give up. But for now, we are just battling on it, and it depends if my stop will be reached before the battle is over or before battle is not over yet. Because now it's if I would be in, I am in trade. If I would have to guess, for me it looks dangerous. That's what it is. It looks very, very scary, and definitely it can be a death for me, death sentence. But we still don't know what can happen. 36, 36, 36. What? 36? 536. Yeah, exactly. So I mean, like, why wouldn't you win this battle? Like, there's lot, very, there's nothing stopping you. Just come on, bro. You gotta go, and that's it. You have to be brave. And no, no. There was one wave we come back from this, but right now it's looking heavy. Okay, there was a second wave to the downside, and if the sellers win this wave, that means that we're gonna definitely run for my stop. If we don't win this wave, which is yuck. How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? Oh, yeah. Yeah, so okay. It's good that I moved my stop. What was my loss? 430. Did I? Yeah, I moved it. Was it a run for stops? Well, yeah, it can be. It can be. Do I want to still keep that order in? Yeah, I think so. Like, we battled those 500s so hard, so damn hard. It depends now if we still like it's kind of repeating from what happened on Friday, where also there was a battle inside that, and there was a doji then we whipped for both sides. Okay, let's think logically. I mean, for if we cannot, like, there is, but it's always the same question you want to ask: is this the right trade? Make it in one piece. Make it in one. Make it in one. Thank you. Yeah, so we ran for a lot. Okay, we ran for a lot. Okay, so my total PNL, by the way, is this. Yeah, we are struggling here even to go down. Which, like, whim, whim, and whim. Why not? Why fucking not? I mean, why not? Why not? That's an easy target. I mean, it's just at the, like, easy, super easy target. What do we have? We don't even have to reach 400s. We have to go through 50s, which is, yep, a little bit. But other than that, I don't know. So again, what? The buyers tipping? What's that? I don't know. Okay, so my probability is out of the window. Is it like market conditions that don't really work for my setups right now? Or is it me? Or is it me? Am I not working in this market conditions? That goes up, forms a normal school run. I don't know. Now I'm leaving that order for the downside because I had days where obviously it was a one loss, one win. And I had days where there's both lost, and I had days where it was two wins in a row. So that doesn't even just yeah. So it a bit feels directionless. That's like my 2 cents. Okay, feels like it wants to spend lots of time here, but also what it could be that it spends enough time in the same place that it builds a pressure and breaks out. Okay, so there's two options how it could go. Like they want to go up, but then it pushes back down. Okay, do I wanna take a cookie? So are we going to go up or down? Menor. Menor. Mhm. Mhm. So we had some pressure, right? So we had some pressure, huh? Now we're pushing up. That's pretty pity, huh? Okay, that's pretty pity. That's what I can tell you right away. Let's get this order out. Okay, where's my rectangular? We'll have to draw this one. And we'll trade this one. Okay. We'll draw this one and we'll trade this one. It's really nice. Okay, so we have still 10 minutes for that. Touch the VWAP. Nobody's going up. Come back to 500s. Wow. This. Okay, when my edge is coming back? That's the question. Because right now, performance-wise, I'm having a bit of a problem. I mean, I'm having one, two, three bad trading days in a row. Three red trading days in a row. Oh. Nah, nah, nah. Got it. Nah, nie tak. Wow. Like longs? A what? Ne, negali. Okay. Okay. Mm, galit abi sureli. Taip. Okay. What the fuck is this? I'm playing for a breakout. What is this? Well, this looks like ass. I mean, somebody want to dump the order. Now we're actually moving, and we might move. We grab everything, all the stop losses, all the orders right there. Now we might be moving. This might be a good chance for what kind of range we have. Still not bad. Not bad. But it's not gonna stay like that, I know. Or we drift here and then break. I don't know. Sorry. Wow. Like that. Awesome. 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 I don't know what happened. I don't know. I can't, like, maybe I will know on my way of trading in my journey. But as for right now, I don't think that even I couldn't see that. I couldn't predict that. Nobody could. So it wasn't even in like even hour, or it wasn't that exact 15 minutes. It was just random spike, which means like the algos, the machines, the robots, whatever, they turned on and they like somebody filled lots of orders. By the way, I want to see this. Wow, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. That's not bad at all. Why I'm saying that? Well, because the ES for me is looking better for a school run. It's not. Alright. Okay. Oh, we. Okay. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's the school run is becoming more and more unattractive. I'm not saying untradeable, but I'm saying the range is getting bigger and bigger, which means that market has to move more and more for me to be right. On the other hand, there's less possibility for it to come back to half of it. So there's two ways to see it, you know. And since we got one Monday, 43%. Mondays. No, yes. No, yes. No, yes. No, yes. No, no, no. Yes. No. Yes. No, no, no. Yes. No, no. Well, there is a chance for this Monday to be profitable. Also, there is a chance for this Monday to be unprofitable. So it's 0.82, but we have to mark it like that because we are tracking like the data of all the candles. So if I would trade all the candle, I would still be in this trade, but it's not that great of an occasion. By the way, there was a big chance to win. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. So now we have -1, minus 0.08. Oops. Okay. Ich So, what's the time? We got 6 minutes, 5 minutes. So another candle is coming up. If we would be, if, just if, we would be here. 60. So 60 would be 8 contracts. Mhm. 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 Ne? Jūra girdi? Mhm. Um, Still want this market to drop hard, hardcore drop. I would love to see this now started to roll. I would be, I would be in okay spot. Okay spot. If we would have to roll down, I would be in okay spot for the downside. For the upside, mm-mm. Surreal suvalgiau to the highs. Also, maybe not good, not bad. I mean, in a sense, but it's a hard market. Like there's lots of times where I'm right straight away from the get-go. Like I was on last Monday, Tuesday. Wait, where's that? So that was nice. That was nice. Oh, that was, yeah. So, and that was also good, but that wicked me out. Ah, I wasn't trading by the way. Yeah, and here look sideways. Shitty ass. Also. How many? I said eight. Stop sell 5 plus. Wait, what? Stop sell 3. So in this one, okay, let's wait another few minutes. Probably because the range is gonna be much higher. If we push up, the range is gonna be extended. Then to take my target is a bit shitty ass position. Stop by 5. Stop by 3. Oh, no worries, no worries. It's not gonna be that fast. Market has its own momentum right now. It did all the things it wanted to do. If it starts to go uh, before this time, so it's good. Take me in because we'll have lots of interesting things happening when the liquidity injection is going on, and probably that will take me even higher to 50s or so. But as you can see from now on, like it's a few seconds left, and with that injection of liquidity, I might get triggered in. I even might want to maybe put my order right here. Yet? No? 19 seconds. No, let's not jump the gun. This is a weird market, okay? So it gives and takes and gives and doesn't give. So can it be a market where we will go up again? We went for that close, right? So yeah, just take me in because you are definitely going to hit that. Where's my target? My target is at 500s. Yeah, exactly here. My target is at 500s. Because if we hit 500s, we are definitely dead for everything. We're a bit too early, but from what I see, it's just a matter of seconds when I'm gonna get filled. And we're gonna get filled right about now. Yeah, we are filled. So we gained what? 40 bucks. 40 bucks. Not a lot, but we're still in the trade, and there's no real momentum to the upside, which is pity. Which is pity. We're still struggling in this area. We're not breaking out. We are not breaking out, which sucks. So I'm taking off that definitely. Let's trade this trade. Okay. So yeah, I'm basically in that, but we are struggling to continue. It sucks. This market looks like it wants to come back many times to the same location with and not to break out. Okay, brother from another mother. Oh, just in case. 85, 85. Okay. Yeah. 85. We are just so struggling. There's so many lines in the sand in this market. So many. Like, is there a possibility that we are not breaking out of this? And like a bit like, is there a possibility? Like we will not even touch that, and we'll come back all the way through here and snap that. Like, is there a possibility in today's market for this to happen? By the way, what the S is doing? One, two, three, one, two, two. Wait, what? Like here, here, and this. Hmm. Well, the S is not looking like it wants to recover through the upside. That's a pity. Because the S kind of is a driver, the thing that keeps the momentum running. And it seems very, very sad. Like he wants to cry. Oh, and I will cry for my second loss in a row. Won't I? Hmm. It's not usual to have such days for me. Okay, yes, it's moving up, so maybe, just maybe, we could drive up also on NQ. Since there's nothing downstairs left, like this everything. Everybody's waiting for the upside. And I'm on a 500, right? Am I? I'm on a 500, which is a very nice area to just snap back, 95. Just to pew, you know what I mean? Like that just tinged. Like it just like it knows that everybody's here. Like it was here also. It's not looking bullish. What ES is doing? Wow, ES is bringing up. It's MES, yeah. So let's buy like 10 or 20. So little. I mean, the target is so little. It's crazy. And the risk is so big. Okay, so any momentum to the upside, please. If we go past that, I'm definitely moving my stop loss, like right here. If we go that, if we snap that with the speed that I'm used to see on NQ, like there should be some like okay, like okay, yes is pushing, but NQ is stalling. Gimme, baby. Come on, bro. Look at this juice. Then orders all the way to the 500s, 600s, all-time highs, and such low liquidity. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be. Yeah, you can do it, bro. I know. Like look at these orders. Come on. I mean, why wouldn't you want to just sweep them like this, like this? Who is holding you? I mean, you got style, you got juice, you got everything what we could use potentially for the upside. You're not like markets. You are playing irrationally. You're playing dumb. You're playing dumb. I'm still not okay now. I'm dead. Okay now. Now I'm truly in the trade. That's one thing I can tell you. I would love to see this like a bit of a speed building up. If not, I'm putting my stop like right here, 550. If we don't have juice enough, like now is the time to have that juice. You know, now is the time. And since you are struggling like all day, now, now is the time to ride smart to the upside. Am I asking a lot? Yes, obviously I'm asking a lot. I'm asking like you to move to the wow, which might be a trade off the day. I mean, there's a possibility that I might leave this trade on for all day. There is definitely the oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Have you seen such work? Uh, yeah, I've seen such. And when it rolls like. I mean, it's building so much pressure right now that eventually we'll see a breakout to like one side or another. But that's gonna be violent and it's gonna be like super duper fast and one way ticket to the madman situation. Oh, brother. Like overall, you want to go long, but like the way you do it, it just makes me sad. The way you do it, it makes me sad. When the roll's coming. Like nobody's playing here, or what the fuck is going on? There's also very little volume. That's what concerns me. We grab that, everything. Excuse me? Oh. Now it's just empty. What I've seen last time is we're gonna roll to 500s, definitely. That is just holding on thin air. These barcodes are very unsexy. Mm. This is what I've been thinking about 500s. Like snap. Okay. Okay, what do I feel? I feel a bit betrayed, maybe. Like, I feel betrayed.